This one is from imuto solar power bank, which is written, but it is not so solar. Yeah, can support 65 watt, seems to be rugged, came with default 51% charge, has only two ports, one USB-C and one USB-A. It can charge at 65 watts, which can be seen here, and it gets also charged with 65 watts, and it doesn't seem to support pass-through. I have connected both, but it gets only charged and it is not discharging. And the moment I disconnect it, nothing happens. Somehow it works, but it keeps resetting the protocol and handshake. You can see 34 watts it is getting charged, and then 0 watts. It tries to goes up, but then again to 0 watts, so it has problem in handshaking when both are connected. Let's see what if it is both can be charged and discharged, both can be discharged at the same time. Yeah, in my opinion it has huge compatibility problems. Oh, hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have one power bank from imuto, which says it is solar power bank, but there are no solar panels on it, and it is supposed to deliver 65 watts according to the specifications on the package. 74 watt hour, model number is G01. Input can be maximum 65 watts and maximum can also be 65 watts. So what is inside? A cable, carabiner, and the power bank itself, and as usual small manual. The display is here explained. It says if there is one sign, the output or input is less than 15 watts. If there are two, then it is more than 15 watts. Trickle charging can be done by clicking 2 times. There is also temperature protection mode, torch, and reset. It can be reset. It seems that I have never seen in any power bank how to reset a power bank. If it has this button, it means it has some kind of compatibility issues. Otherwise there is no need to reset a power bank. Yeah, so the power bank itself has one display, came with 51% or 53% of charge. Seems to be rugged. The specifications are, let me focus it again. So they are same again. The model number is G01. So the output is covered with a cover and has only one USB-C and one USB-A port and the light. Why is it called solar? Because it has an input for DC, direct DC input, where it can accept a maximum of 20 volts. So now let's go through our standard procedure, what this power bank has to offer. So first I will connect USB-A. And it is charging. Yeah, there it has a problem. It seems it is charging at 12 watts, but it keep resetting the connection now. See, and when I put the USB tester, 9 volt at 2 amperes, around 15 watts. This can supply a maximum of 18 watts according to the specification. So 15 watts, 17 watts it is supplying. I will charge the phone with it, and here it is around 5 watts. And yeah, the space between two ports is too less, and it would be a difficult task to use both the ports at the same time. Now I will use the standard charging cable which is supplied by this, and see at what power it gets charged. It is getting charged because both of the symbols are on, and it is taking around 67-70 watts and 20 volts at 3.192 amperes. So 65 watts seems to be correct. I will now check the pass through. It means with one port it is getting charged, and with another port it needs to supply some other. So the moment I connect it, it gets reset, and the maximum power is also 3-4 watts, but it doesn't get charged. It tries to charge. See, I will put both here, and you can see the issue. It keeps getting resetted. Yeah, since it keeps getting resetted, in my opinion, it is not very much reliable. You cannot charge both at the same time. So now I will simulate the discharging. Let's see with what it gets discharged. So it takes time to negotiate a protocol, and currently it is a protocol of 13 watts. Let me I will try to disconnect and connect it again. This time it is 19 volts, but other way around it is getting charged. Then I have used another power bank from Amigat to charge, and we can see it charges only at 1.8 watts. So in my opinion, it's a huge no-go for charging other power banks and so on. I will use now a laptop. So I have connected the laptop here, and this thing is charging at 5 watts. Now it is going up. 15, 20, 26, 27, 30. Now around 60 watts, 55-60 watts. So yeah, only if the protocol handshake is favorable, it can supply 55 watt, 50 or 60 watts. Yeah, but in my opinion, it's the chipset which is not able to handshake a correct protocol. So at the end, what I would say, it seems to be rugged, but that it doesn't support complete pass-through charging and discharging, and number of ports are very limited, very less space. Yeah, in my opinion, other power banks are better than this one. Thanks for watching. That's it for today, and subscribe, like, and I would love if you give some comments. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.